Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. In today's video, we are going to see how you can use your Costco promo code. So let's dive right into it. The first thing that you want to do is open any kind of browser on your PC. Here I'm going to use Chrome browser. Now, after opening your browser, go to the search bar and then search Costco.com. Click on enter. And here you can see now we are on the official website of Costco. So after opening this website, make sure that you are logged into your account. Here you can see this option, sign in or register. Click on it. And in here, type your email address and in here, type your password. Now click on sign in. And you can see you have now successfully logged into your account. Now you can start your shopping journey. I think I'm going to see on some groceries, so I'm going to click on groceries. Go ahead and pick the item of your liking. There are a lot of options. Here you can see I want to buy this one, so I'm just going to click on it. So right now I only want a single piece, so here it's one. If you want to increase your pieces or if you want to buy more pieces, here you can add the pieces that you want. So click on add to cart. And here you can click on continue shopping if you want to continue shopping. And if you want to deal with your payment right now, click on view cart. Here I'm going to click on view cart. After doing so, scroll down and here you can see your billing. And now simply just click on checkout button here. And then you can see there are a lot of personal information that you have to fill up here. Your first name, your last name, and the place that you want your delivery to come. Here, your email address, your phone number, and so on. And in order to add your promo code here, you can see the option promo code. Simply just type in your promo code and click on apply code. And in this way, your total will be changed according to the promo code that you have applied. And then click on continue to payment. And likewise, you will be able to use your promo code of Costco. Thank you so much for watching. If this video was helpful, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much. See you in the next.